Here's what CORAA can do for you. Once your data is onboarded, CORAA goes through all your book data to build a business understanding. Everything is organized by section, based on institute guidelines, statutory laws, the Companies Act, Income Tax Act, and more. Whenever CORAA references a section or guideline, it cites the exact section and paragraph. CORAA starts by understanding your business, building a complete picture of what your client company does. It looks at revenue and profit and highlights any critical areas of concern. For example, there might be a revenue recognition cutoff issue, or borrowing and finance costs may have increased compared to last year. If you have trade receivables, CORAA pulls those in too and prepares a quick snapshot of your entity for easy verification. CORAA also checks and maps applicability. Based on the ingested data, it figures out which rules and requirements apply to your client. For instance, it tells you if CARO or CSR applies and prepares a full applicability summary. You can also see a complete business, DNA, understanding all banks, vendor payables, and customer receivables, investments, etc., along with any anomalies. For example, it might find a credit balance or an advance payment that needs confirmation. Everything inside CORAA links directly to the exact ledger and voucher, resulting in zero hallucination. CORAA can identify branches and do a complete ledger mapping. When CORAA ingests the ledger, it maps each one based on narration, movement, and position. It sorts them into the right balance sheet and profit and loss heads. If you need to change anything, you can do it right here. For any unmapped ledgers, you'll see an AI confidence score showing where the ledger is currently positioned and where it should be. You'll also get CORAA's suggestion for the correct position. Once you finish the business understanding, CORAA helps with your materiality setup. This step comes up automatically when you onboard and follows institute guidelines. After the data is ingested, CORAA suggests different methods for setting materiality: profit before tax, turnover, equity, whatever fits your client's engagement. Once you pick the right method, you can decide how lenient or conservative you want to be with the threshold for this entity. Set your performance materiality in CTT and confirm. Once it's locked, you can export it as a proper memo. Every exported memo is available here for you to view. The full picture of how the threshold was set, laid out for a quick review, including who approved it. From here, CORAA also does a complete opening balance verification. Based on the ledgers that got ingested, CORAA pinpoints any mismatches between the prior year closing and the current year opening. You can also upload your prior year trial balance, last year's audited financial statement, or any extra documents needed. CORAA quickly pulls out the opening balance verification and shows you the variance analysis between last year and this year for these ledgers. If a ledger was present last year but not this year, CORAA highlights the difference. You pick a reason for the change, save it, and resolve it right here. And anything you resolve is available to download as an Excel file. Everything CORAA does includes the detailed methodology it follows. You can always check the methodology tab to understand what CORAA is checking and the auditing standards it uses for different procedures. You can also generate your samples here. The methodology paper explains how CORAA computed each sample size, how it seeded them, and what's been tested. You can choose SA530 sampling method, expand risk coverage, or create a custom sampling plan right here. CORAA can also help with your entire engagement checklist paperwork. Most of it will be pre-filled with information already derived. If you need to further customize it, you can download and edit it. Every file you save is available in CORAA's document section under this entity, stored securely. If you get stuck, use Ctrl+K keys to jump to the right working paper. Ctrl+K lets you move between different working papers and documents. Or use the support feature to find the support documentation for the respective procedure you are working on. Try out CORAA today and experience the future of audit.